Apparently, guys, I'm feeling so bad. Hey, Mbaza agents. So, I'm supposed to like vacate tomorrow, to leave this house, to shift to another bigger house. I know, guys, I've never shown you like this house. Like najua mnashanganga like how it's vipi. So nilikuwa nakaa kwa bed sitter. Now I'm shifting to a 1 bedroom now. You know, it's starting life over again. Atunaniambia kenye imekubamba ni kitchen. Hata mimi imenibamba. Ati nini? Sana. Penye inakaa poa. Nitakwambia ni siku gani nitakuja one of. Yeah, of which it's not bad like starting life over again. Guys, if you can't hear me well, kuna construction iko pale, and if you can't see me guys, nikiweza onyesha, imagine hakuna stima. Hakuna stima guys. Okay. Hata si stima. It's only in this house that hakuna stima. Na ni juu nimewaambia natoka kesho. Wakaamua wanikatie. Guys, nikiweza enda niwaonyeshe like in every house, in kila building kuna stima. Sasa mimi juu nahama kesho na ati I didn't tell them, like I didn't give them a notice, like niwaulize ushalipa deposit guys. Inafaa kusimamilia kila kitu, and they still have that audacity ya kusema at you have to at jume at ume nini agreement at unafaa kulipa 2,500 of the paint. I'm like, bro, simkona 8,500 zangu. Sasa what else do I need to pay for? Okay, kazi ya deposit inakuanga ni gani? Guys, I'm feeling so disturbed. Hadi na I'm like, hiyo siku itaisha saa ngapi? My daughter, she's just asleep. Hata naomba tu leo. Imagine alikuwa na watch kwa melon. Hata siku watch like okay, nimemuosha and then akalala. So I'm like, akiamka ata watch nini guys? I'm just feeling so disturbed. Si unaona? Hapo mahali kuna hiyo stuff ya TV. Imagine nimeweka hiyo. Hakuna stima kabisa guys. There is no lights. That's my daughter sleeping over there. Guys, nionyesheni. Let me just show you guys. Muone hii ni ujinga inakaa aje. Guys, mnaona kwa neighbor kuna stima. Hai, si mnaona huko kuna stima guys. Hopefully mnanisikia. Kuna stima. Look. Kuna stima guys. I want you to see there is like lights. Hawezi niambia kuna hawezi niambia ati hakuna guys. Ngoja tuone tokens. Na tokens kwanza nilipia 30 bob 20 bob tunahama. Ona. This is my meter number. It's not blinking anything. Ona. Awa, sinaona ukiwa kuna blink zinakwanga hivi. Guys, oneni zote zina blink except mine. Just because I told them like nahama, and they decided to show me dust, and they have the audacity ya kuniambia like I need to pay 2,500. Imagine I've decided to do this juu ya nini? Juu ya kesho, because I'm not paying anything. Plus, kwani deposit inafaa kusimamilia nini? If I have my own emergency, what should I do? That's why kuna kwa na reason ya nini? Guys, unaona mpaka kule kuna stima. how am I even going to survive like these nights? Imagine they're just a piece. I just stuck. It's just trash. I would just advise anyone, kama you're looking for a house, don't even dare go uende kwa nini ya. Don't mind these guys. These what have been unaona guys, ama muoni am I supposed to this hiyo ni yangu ya kulipa like the business that I had. Imagine if you're looking for a house, don't dare go for a nini okay. Kwa hizi nyumba za ma agents it's tricky. Na imagine kama nani wenye wanakatianga mtu kama umechelewesha na stima ama asikuchelewesha like kama hujalipa rent. Actually, when did I start? On Thursday ndo nilienda nikatafuta nyumba. Luckily TikTok is nice juu the house that I don't know when I will show you like the house. Should I show you without everything ama should I show you this house how it is? Oh my god, I even feel like calling my mom to check kidogo and my sister juu yo. Also I checked for the house on Thursday and on that Thursday nikapata nyumba and I was so happy. Like niliteseka nikitafuta and then I recalled like I had seen a house on TikTok and luckily I got the caretaker's number, so nikamcall akaniambia the last time I checked kulikuwa kumebakisha ile ya ground floor and I didn't like, I mean first floor. I don't like first floor juu ya okay, first floor it's a bit better juu ya nini, it's not like ground floor. I had a bad experience with ground floor yenye unapata amskizani vizuri, the network is poor, it's a bit colder, and since I have a daughter I wouldn't risk such kinds guys. So I called him and he was like, oh yo, you remember me? Guys, and then he told me, yeah, I remember you, Shiko. Yeah, I told him like I just want to come, I just want to inquire if there is still a vacant over there. Luckily there was, and Ula's it was on third floor. Na third floor it's much better. I love that floor, like hakuna uchafu, ni kusafi. I just liked it. And then sasa I just took a bike and then nikaenda mpaka hapo. My daughter, she's awake now. Imagine atawatch nini sasa, atawatch nini Coco Melon yake na nini, and I don't know whether her tablet is kona moto guys. She really loves watching. Yes mama, yes mama. Okay, this is her tablet. This is her tablet. Alinunuliwa na shosho yake. Katoto. So this is what she was watching over here. Asijui hata kama iko na moto guys. Yo, I'm just feeling so bad. And I feel like niwapigie niwaulize like, do you know tomorrow I'll ask them nikate stima and you expect me with my guards niwalipe. Na imagine wakinisumbua mimi nitaendea OB and mimi nitaendea tu OB, nisema wananikataza and they have my deposit. Kwani kazi ya deposit ni nini? I even wish I didn't like tell them. Ningewaambia tu your time natoka hiyo saa hiyo. You like really tomorrow is on a Sunday. I don't know whether when I will upload this, but guys, I'm just feeling so bad. Na sasa ikizima my daughter guy, imagine hata alafu kitu kingine hata wifi nilikuwa nishalipia. Yani I just hated this house. Yani nilikuwa na feel I just want to kutoka tu. Oh, in the house that I got. Sini rembo. Oh my god, it's a very very nice house. I know you like it if you see it. Kwanza I was like, since my daughter ameanza sasa ataanza kujua kutamba, she needs like a bigger space for her. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey Sissy. Let me just show you her. Show them your ways, my love. Show them. Sissy. She's full. So guys, hii ndo nitawaonyesha. Hii ndo itakuwa I don't know, nimejiambia tu nichukue hii video. Who knows about tomorrow? Akinikataza ama waseme sikuwa katia, I will be like, I have a video of you guys. I have a video of show nikionyeshana. I guess zenye ziko na lighting ni zenye zina watu, na nimechungulia zina curtains, zina watu. And it's my only, you can't just tell me kila place kuna stima ati ni kwangu peke yangu. Na hata tuko date guys, should I show you the date that we are in? December date 7. Sijui kama mnaona vizuri. It's December date 7. It's December date 7. Hata tujafikisha date 10. Guys, don't mind how I'm looking. I'm just bored about everything. But anywho's, tomorrow is nitaisha tu. Imagine hata sijaoga, hata nashindwa kama nitaoga aje. Na venye nilikuwa na oh my god, I wish hata nilioga mapema. Yes baby. Anywho's guys, I can't wait to show you my new apartment. I'm so happy about it and I thank God. Like, things are moving so fast. And if you haven't followed me, follow me on Shikupol backup account so that you can see the amazing handbags, sling bags, monkey bags, laptop bags, totes, bags za watoto that I sell online. Okay guys, and pay if you want to join in my WhatsApp thrift. I call it Keisha Thrift. Yeah baby. Nitaona guys, okay? Okay, I don't know how I'm looking, but don't mind. No lighting, just feeling bored. Yeah. Wish me the best of luck, okay my loves, okay? Okay gosh, nimekonda guys. Mnaona venye nimekonda juu kunyonyesha. Yes. Nikiwaambia katoto kangu nikanana. Yeah, mama. Yeah. See. And she's so warm, my pretty girl. My pretty baby. I don't know what's over here, but it's not a diaper. Okay, honey, aka kakitu. Okay, guys. Continue subscribing, liking and share my video. Okay my loves, bye, ciao below.